With investments and cooperation between the government and the private company, it would just take 1 year to establish a vaccine-making facility in the Philippines, according to the Department of Science and Technology. DOST Undersecretary Rowena Guevara says modern technology is now available for this.
What we found out was that because of the modernity of technologies today for producing vaccines, a fill and finish facility can easily be done within 1 year's time. And we have been in touch with the Department of Trade and Industry Board of Investment and the National Development Corporation, or the investment arm of DTI, and they are willing to co-invest with a local company that is willing to do local manufacturing of vaccines.
Attorney Joey Ochave, Senior Vice President for Social Partnership of Unilab Incorporated, added that there would be a need to enhance the country's capability in terms of manufacturing vaccines in case of a pandemic recurrence.
We've said before, and events now have proven that, that in any vaccine supply agreement, in fact, that we entered before, there is always a provision saying that they will not be obliged to supply us in case of a pandemic and their home governments have prevented them or prevent them from supplying outside of their home countries.
Meanwhile, one of the biggest healthcare pharmaceutical companies in Asia has expressed its support. According to the company's chief business officer, their company has establishments in the Philippines such as a low-temperature storage facilities and a digital platform technology promising a potential use for the manufacturing process. Aside from the company's 4 major warehouses in the country, it also has vital experiences in handling sensitive vaccines for nearly 100 years of practice in the industry.
Vaccines are very sensitive products and require special type of handling, not only storage facilities. It in fact goes beyond the storage facilities, and it's important that the people that handle these products really do have the experience and the know-how, have the technology to support it.
Although this implies a need for a greater budget that needs to be earmarked for the project's realization, this would also mean that the Philippines, being a potential vaccine producer, could provide security when it comes to sufficient supply of vaccines for Filipinos. Marvin Calas, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.